guess where we are today? Hartlepool Marina, 28th of August. It's about 8:10. And hopefully, we're going to have a good day. We hope. See you later. Put it in reverse, Keith. Hold on. Oh, there we go. That's a proper fish. That's a proper one.
Hartlepool Marina, Seaz The Daze, over.
Seaz The Daze, Hartlepool Marina. Yeah, you want to lock out?
Yes, please, over.
Yeah, if you make your way around as soon as possible, please. We've got a vessel that needs to lock out immediately.
No problem, actually on my way now, over.
Yeah, that's brilliant, thank you.
Absolutely no wind, look at that flag.
Yeah.
Yeah, they rolled straight up, they won't affect us.
So what do you reckon?
Just see what happens, see which ray's going forward.
Thank you!
Sorry for leapfrogging you. So, cheers.
See you later. Else other than mackerel at the moment.
So nice. Just up there, isn't it? Can we get in?
Yeah.
Yeah, go!
Just shifted a wreck a couple of times with a muppet and a bit of mackerel on. I'm going to give my slow jig a try. This is homemade. They're off Amazon. These are off, trying to name, there's a bloke online who sells the stickers, and then the ledge you can buy and he sells the mould as well, and this is the smaller of the two moulds. Give it a whirl.
Can we go, Keith?
Yeah, go for it, yeah, go!
Right, wait for you. Message.
Okay, I'll admit it.
What's the difference between the slow jig and the other one then?
The rate of knots that it goes through the water. So you've got some that go really, really fast and some that go really, really slow. And Phil's got the slow model. But we've got my rod down too far. So are you taking your Mackie stuff off?
Yeah.
Ooh. Come on. That was a nibble.
Good.
Pollock. Nice pollock.
Wait a minute, I'll get it in for you.
Go on. It's right in the bottom.
The net. What?
It was right in the bottom of where I caught. Good.
Pollock. Nice pollock.
Wait a minute, I'll get it in for you.
Go on, because I've only got a little.
Yeah, just come this way a bit.
Oh, not quite 5, that's a good one.
Okay.
Right. I'll just hold it up for John. Right. And
Oh, yes.
stop recording.
Whoa. Hello. Sugar. Oh,
Has it got off? Obviously not. There's your jellyfish for you. Don't get it on your line, otherwise you'll get stung.
now it's holding now.
Fish for a change, right?
Does it need the
It will do.
net?
Oh, look at the size of that coming up. Oh,
Nah, I can't see anything.
it's just spat a big. That's a cod. It's just spat something out.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Look at the size of this.
Oh,
Look at the size of this just come up. That is a beauty.
Oh, that's going to take some beating, isn't it?
That's got to be 7.
it'll be about 5.
Be about 5. I'm always overestimating.
Here's a bit.
Oh, that's on this slow jig as well. Homemade slow jigs. So I'll put that.
Right.
Let me not, there we go. If you want to just chuck that. Right, and then I'll just T-bar this off. That hook is well, and that will never come out.
So that's the offending article.
Homemade, well, homemade. So, can you see it? Yeah, homemade slow jig. Beautiful.
You may be correct, it may be about £6.
Oh no, not very much. But
There we go.
nice cod.
Nice
Taken
cod.
On. First one I've actually landed on that. I've lost 2 on the slow jig and actually landed the first. Got another wreck.
Yeah, we've fished it before.
Moved about 2 miles. Over another wreck. Getting close to the anchorage grounds now. There! Oh, it's the other way.
That's one with the thing.
The little boat on the
This side.
aye.
There!
Wow, that was big.
It was. I just got the back of it. We've got some major, I think the minke whales, they're all over the place, coming up
Circling this, we've got to get out of here.
coming up all over the place.
Right. What I'm going to do...
Oh! Yeah, and again.
Oh, that is a big one.
Yeah,
That was a big one.
yes. Got that on video, I think.
Come on, let's go fishing now.
All right.
Come on, I'm all excited.
We stopped to look at the whales and John's getting upset. And again,
Oh, yeah.
yeah. Beautiful.
Do you want me to try and get a...
Oh, go on.
Yeah. Yeah. Is he moving again, Phil?
Coming right to our side of us. We're not even on there. What about it?
The drift. Well, I do worry about it.
Is that switched off?
It's what switched off?
Something's just turned off, isn't it?
Camera by the sounds of it.
Just switched it on, it's come off again.
Nope. It's on. This is on.
Yeah, that one's on as well.
Morning!
That's what they do.
That is threatening behaviour, nothing else. Right.
Nothing under us, is there?
Alright.
Ah, you!
Yeah, there's 20 odd wrecks round here, lads. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, 20 more wrecks to jump from. Alright.
Yeah, it's a long way from Whitby.
Yeah, alright.
I've been here before where 2 char boats have turned up on this when we're fishing it.
He's not happy.
No.
Do you give a shit?
Got that on camera, getting shouted at from a charter boat for fishing a wreck. And yet normally they turn on and bullies, and see how close he got, it was about 15 feet, 20 feet of us.
That's what's known as threatening behaviour.
Turn on and bullies, and see how close he got, it was about 15 feet, 20 feet of us.
That's what's known as threatening behaviour.
Yeah.
And we're going right through. There's stuff underneath. So that is 12 o'clock.
If we'll get a mention in there right up.
Don't know. You never know. How far do you reckon it is from here to Whitby?
25 miles.
It's going well off. Maybe not. Yes.
Obviously they're not doing any good, and they've turned up. That's compounded it.
180 feet. Well, they've gone further. They've gone further
Yeah,
north.
the wreck, they moved off.
Yeah, but no. They're not going to Whitby, are they? Because Whitby's that way.
They're going the way I want it to go. That's where the wrecks are, that way.
So we'll follow them off.
What about leave and get ahead of them? Come on to our wreck. Fancy wreck lads, wrecks lads.
Yeah,
Turn
happy?
yourself off.
Happy as all. They're very possessive over the wrecks out here, aren't they?
Stop that. I've been run over near enough. Before they've come right down the side of me and join my drift.
Thank you. Now we're flying down the side of it.
I'll try another one then.
I'm thinking that, yeah.
This is not very big, is it?
No.
But there is a very, very big, sort of on the way back in on a curve. And he's annoying me. Couldn't have that all day, could you?
Well, you have your engine on most of the day.
I don't hear it, not that.
Oh, right.
That's weird, that does. No, I have that because when we're doing wrecking, I can jump back in the cam, just tap reverse and just pull it back over if we're slightly off. Or forward if we're slightly the other side as well.
Look at you, and I've
Oh,
caught the bottom and stopped looking.
I think that's a 5 pound 6 ounce cod.
Yeah.
Oh, you've not got the bottom of you, John.
Yeah, I was looking at you. Just took
For
my eye
goodness
off it.
sakes, stop swearing. Stop swearing.
So just look at this, more fishing and videoing. Oh,
He's a marvellous man.
selfish, you see. Rather get a good someone catching a good fish than
Blinking heck, it's a long way up.
it is.
Oh, we're up to 184 feet now.
That is actually alright.
Ah, it's not that big. Come here.
Tricky back then, Sink.
Oh no, that's a keeper. There you go, there you are. Oh, not bad. Oh, yes, that's not bad. It's not the biggest, but it'll definitely do. You're on the bottom there, John.
Is it? I'll soon find it.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
Oh, I can feel it.
I can feel it. I can feel it goes up a few feet.
Yeah. Oh, I just caught it and look, pulled out of it. I've got a fish on.
Good man.
Yeah. Oh, nice. No, oh, that is pulling.
I will get the net for you. Please don't say anything, John, because we're filming.
Well done, Phil.
See, that's the kind of comments that you need.
That's on a 7-0 hook, so
Don't connect.
sure that's not going to come out.
Don't pump it. You should just crank. Just keep winding. That's what Rich says. You get it.
Looking at that cod today. Yeah, lovely. Very nice. Oh, kicked all the way to the surface.
Right, I suppose I better come in then at John's.
Oh, it's a wreck, I mean. No, it's not.
I was as well.
Oh, there we go. That's a proper fish. That's a proper one. That's the Ling I've been after. Here he is.
Like John's.
That's him. Oh, this is beauty.
Hang on, look at this. Oh, I can't get it up. What is it?
Turn the other camera to John. Turn it.
Whoa.
Right, I'll wind up. I'll get the net for both of you. Oh, here it comes. I can see a big white thing. Yep, it's definitely a Ling.
Oh, that camera just switched itself off.
Whoa, could have been the biggest.
And
No.
another one. Oh my God, that's a cod.
Oh, you banged it.
Yes.
Right.
Chuck me fish out quick.
Trying to swim back down from this one. Similar to the last one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's got some. Well, I've got the 19 ounce of. Yeah, that's recording.
Yes. Sorry, did I just hit you in the head, John?
Keep picking these out. I'll get round to the pound here. Beauty.
That's a nice one.
John's picked a little Ling.
I can't see because it's all in the eye. The eye's got no water in there.
Sit there in a minute, John. Don't move.
That pulled back so well. That fought better than the bigger one. That's a lovely fish, that is. Really, really took the rod over. Fantastic. Back safe and sound. Good haul in the fish box today. 4 cod, 2 pollock, a ling.
And 1 pollock. John. Couldn't resist that.